Is Caraway Cookware all style and no substance? Or does this non-toxic, Instagram-worthy pan actually deliver on performance and safety? Well, we took a closer look and the results might surprise you. Caraway has made a name for itself with sleek, ceramic-coated cookware that promises chemical-free cooking and eco-conscious manufacturing. But does it hold up over time? And is it worth the investment? Here's what we found. The Caraway fry pan features a non-stick ceramic coating that's 100% free from PFAS, PFOA, and PTFE, offering a safer alternative to traditional Teflon pans. Now, this pan features ceramic coating, non-toxic and naturally slick, but not indestructible. Once scratched or chipped, the aluminum base may be exposed, posing safety concerns. Now, the aluminum base, it heats quickly, but it lacks the structural support of multi-ply stainless cookware. Now, we would love to see a 3-ply version in the future. It ships plastic-free, made with some recycled content and recyclable at end of life. Caraway definitely stands out for its transparency, with testing for heavy metals and 0 forever chemicals, a major plus in a crowded non-stick market. There is no denying that Caraway's cookware is beautiful, but what about how it functions day to day? Now, it's lightweight and ergonomic, easy to handle and maneuver, especially compared to heavier ceramic or cast iron alternatives. It works with all stovetops, including induction. Despite its clean look, Caraway's ceramic surface can wear quickly. Once damaged, it's game over. There is no way to repair it or safely continue use. So unfortunately, these pans often end up in the landfills far too soon. We cooked everything from sautéed greens to salmon fillets in these pans, and for the most part, it delivered. The pan performs best at low to medium heat with a touch of oil. You'll get smooth, consistent results. But high heat is a no-go. Avoid metal utensils and abrasive sponges. It's not dishwasher safe either. And once the coating is compromised, well, it's not safe to continue using anymore. While it performs really well early on, you may notice degradation in the coating within a year or two of regular use. Caraway earns its place on our list because of its admirable transparency and strong commitment to eliminating toxic chemicals from cookware. But is it perfect? Not quite. It is eco-friendly and it ships plastic-free using some recycled materials, and it avoids forever chemicals. It's entirely free of PTFE, PFOA, and PFAS, and heavy metals, giving you peace of mind in the kitchen. Now, it's beautiful, but it's built with thinner materials which are prone to wear. Now, these pans won't last more than a few years with regular use, so keep that in mind. If you want a safe, stylish, and genuinely non-toxic non-stick pan, and you're okay with replacing it in a few years, Caraway is a solid choice. But if you're looking for some longevity and heirloom durability, you may want to keep exploring. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up.